this is something that repeat a lot of time. Okay, this is how I look for the higher time frame to give me confluences on my lower time frame setup, right? Now, as you can see here, so this is technically like the previous daily, right? Previous daily premium, previous daily discount. If you are an ICT trader, you understand that. So that means in this section here, you want to go short, and this section here, you want to go long, right? That makes sense. But now, as you can see here, we opened the next day exactly here, right? At the opening price of the closing price of the previous day, right? That makes sense. Now, kind of reach above previous daily high just to grab buy side liquidity, right? So that means like buy side, gonna put at maybe 12, just gonna be better. I'm just gonna remove that. There we go. So that's the buy side liquidity, right? We activated more buyer here, and then they got instantly punished, right? And if you are an FX4 model trader, you know that this is like the accumulation range. This is your manipulation, you know. So now that you have this manipulation above the previous daily high, you see nice displacement below an old lows. We have like a fair value gap maybe in this displacement here. So if it can identify that, that would be very nice. I'm gonna use my rectangle here and not this one because I don't like it. Like you might have in fair value gap. This is like technically an 222 ICT mentorship model entry, right? But you know, based on the daily previous day, you know, premium discount, all that. And here you may be gonna have as well an OT from here to here, and I reverse that because on the wrong side. But now, as you can see, price can reach 5%, 50%, or you know, 61%. That's like technically 62% between this range, right? And then price gonna reach to 0 extension and all that until like 1 maybe. But now, as you can see here, we are in discount of previous day, right? So if we are in discount, we more likely looking for a buy. But what we need to take a buy, we need a market structure shift here, right? If I use like a red line like that, double size, there we go. So we have market structure shift here, but we kind of reject discount. So that means like price might go up, you know, from the middle of this daily range, you know, because this is like a daily candle, but that means this is a daily range as well, you know. If it's a daily range and we are on equilibrium from previous daily range and we have a market structure shift from there, now we can maybe look for an entry. We can reverse that. And as you can see, you know, that's like, if you get a fair value gap here as well, that's very nice. But you need to get like the sell side taken as well here, right? If I use sell side, just type sell side here. That's technically this low that we take in, right? This low here, we take this low into discount. So that means we are in an area that we can take along, you know, and anticipating the price to expand the upside on the daily, on the new daily, this daily here, as you can see, right? So I hope that helped. That was just very quick video. I mean, that was a 5-minute video, I think, 4-minute 20, but you know, so this is something that you gotta keep that in mind. If you can reach an OT as well on the daily, if you use like an OT, like example like that, you put that from the high to the low. If price can go here, or maybe 50% of this range here, you know, that might be a nice opportunity on a lower time frame to take an entry from here, right? From this specific area here. Especially if you have a huge imbalance on the daily here, you know. What I mean by that is, I mean that if it's gonna remove that, but let's say that this is the previous day before. Previous day before, you know, like the top wick was here, example. So now on this day here, you want to expect the price. So let's say this is like a, okay, just gonna remove that. you know, keep that simple. But let's say this is a bearish candle because like we want to see the price going down. So now, as you can see, we almost reached this level here, right? This level here. This is technically an imbalance here, right? So that means price gonna seek, oh, this is what I just did, I don't know. Okay. But price gonna seek here, it's gonna seek to feel that imbalance on daily. And as soon as we reach this wick here, kind of rebalance into premium and discount equilibrium from that specific daily range. And most of the time you're gonna see the price expand from here like that. It can go higher, but if you can take a long from the middle of this range equilibrium and you can TP on the high from previous day, that's amazing trade. You don't need anything else, right? You don't need to go like and do a crazy trade like that. But that was just an idea like that. I think like some people like this setup. I know there's a couple of my people in my Discord that have very good return with that setup. It's a very simple setup. You only need to watch the daily, and then when you can see this imbalance fill on the daily, you can go on the lower time frame and look for an entry to retarget that high here, right? So that's a very simple setup, not too complicated, I hope. And if you guys like this video, just give a like, subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more to say. You know, I have so many stuff that I want to talk about. I try to keep the video a little bit shorter because, you know, like longer video, it's nice, but people doesn't have always the time to listen everything. So I hope that helped. And follow the Discord. I mean, join the Discord if you're not joining the Discord yet. There's a lot of people that talk about all the setup possible for the day, you know, so that can probably help you a little bit if you're a new trader or anything like that. All right. So see you guys later. Thank you for watching.